now I'm gonna make all my gear. I don't know what's all my gear for fishing. What I'm gonna do for this one. And just the stopper. And this one. Honey, can you take me for a video, please? I wanna make the gun hook. Please? Yeah.
Ano mo na?
Una yan. I'm gonna make this one. No. I'm gonna make my hook, or my ganging hook. See? Let's see this one like that. 1, 2, 3. See? See, so we got that gun hook. Portalo. We flip this one here. And make this one. Making the gun hook. Yeah. You must you don't come out in the other. Yeah. One. Now we're gonna make this one. Oops, wrong way. Carrot. That one here. Make the one and then like that. And you clip this one. Kasarado mo lang yun. Yan, ganyan. Sarado mo lang ganyan. Okay, clip lang. Pag bibili ka na ito, pag buo na, mahal. Kaya kailangan ikaw na lang gumawa para makamura. Pag bibili mo buo na ito, naku, mahal na yan. Kulang tatlo lang sa set napakamahal ba? Ito, lalagyan mo ng shibong. Yun lang, ayos lang naman yan. Yun lang, tapos yan. Ito kayo na yan. Yan. I-click mo lang yan kanyan. Ayan. So, nadagdagan ko pa ng isa o dalawa. Ang binibili ko itong open hook. Open hook size 3. Size 2. Ito ay size 2. Open hook. Ganging, tawag dito ganging hook. See? Ito, ilalagay mo pa, nakabuka ka ito Kaya ito ilalagay niyan. Nakabuka yan Susuot mo lang ng gano'n yun. Susuot mo lang ng gano'n yun. Ayan, connect. See? Tapos, isasarado mo lang ng ganyan. Yan. Oo na. Minsan nga, 4 ko ito dahil yung filters, minsan malaki kapus. Kaya, gagawa ko nito ng mga 4 na set na ganito. Tapos 4 na set ng apatan. Ito, 3 lang ito Isa. Yan, gagawa pa. Tapos dahil ko na rin ito, mamaya maubusan Nakaka ko naman manghingi sa mga kasama. Kaya nadali ko na rin ito, kung naubusan, doon na lang ako gagawa.
Ba't yung pagawin ng gawin dito?
Sabi, hindi naman na, ang dami na doon na. Pero dahil ko na lang, yan. Ito yan, one set yan. Isa pa yan. Minsan hindi mo lang din maubos, huwag yung sumabit, hindi mo isa nga lang, 2 lang matagal na, 3, matagal na yan. Kung wag lang sumabit, pag sumabit talagang, yun, tawag doon, mawawala, malalagot Yan. Yan, 4, gagawa rin ako ng 4. Yan. 1. Yan kayo. Kahit 3 set lang yung 4. Marami rin. Mahal din itong hook. Hindi na natin. Mura lang ito. Yan. Mahal na. Tandaan mo ito. Binili natin ito sa market. Yun sa Paddy's Market. Sa fishing taco doon. Ito. Ay, size 3 pala ito. 3. Akala ko size 2. Sorry, see. Size 3. Akala ko size 2. Yan, yung nasa box Ito na nga ba ang bili ko dyan? Medyo mahal-mahal din sa box na yun Ang pa yan Ang pa kaya, lalo na mas mahal na ngayon. Isa. Ito naman, yung ibang style ito, i-clip to, pero gusto ko lang yun na Wala na yung iba ko Meron yata ako dito. Alam ko marami ako na yan binili Wala. Kung saan nakalagay? Dito, wala rin. Baka naman nais. Wala yung gamit ko ah. Wala oh. Yung gunting ko. Ito. Sandali na, hani, baka kulang pa yun. Baka nawawala akong gamit eh. Sandali lang. Walang lang muna yung mga kauligan. Marami akong gamit yan eh. Kailangan ko naman palang mamili ng mga gamit. Ay! Yan. Ilan yan? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ito na lang pala yun. Ito. Ang liliit eh. Okay na rin yan. Dalawa. Tama na pala. Ito yun. Tama na pala. Ano tayo? Ang malaki-laki size. Ito, may trash to. Ganda ito lang itong trash ito. Ito yung panali sa wheel. Sa hook, sa biwas. Tapos sa tali mo sa yan na. Ito ang ginagamit ko talagang ako, trice ko. Ito ang ginagamit kong trice. Ito. Yan o, ang ginagamit kong trice. Yan o. Yan ang ginagamit kong trice. 10 kilo. Kasi 10 kilo. Yan. Malaki na, 10 kilo yun. Malaki na yung 10 kilo mo yun. Hindi ka makakahuli 10 kilo. Ba, bonito minsan. Bonito ah. Sorry, kingfish. Yung ginagamit ko sa kingfish na trice. Magkikingfish na lang ako huli. So, gawin na pati direction. Tapusin ko na ito ko yung hook muna, ha? Yan. Size 3 ako talaga. Yung size 2, minsan napakaliit din. Nauunat. Pag malaki yung telor, nauunat. Lalo na pag nakahuli ka ng salmon, unat yun. Salmon, ang lakas lumaban na yan eh. Yan. Tapos tuturuan ko pa yung anak ko. Magpimo. Kasama namin. Daddy's making, baby, look here. Oh, don't do that. Because daddy can breathe, don't do that. Yeah. Nakita mo yung damit ng anak ko. Ready na yung anak ko. Fishing. You gonna catch this one, hi?
Wow, that's not too powerful.
Yeah, but it's good fish, son.
Just wake up.
You excited today?
Yes.
Yeah.
But Daddy,
Good luck.
but Daddy's scared of the swordfish.
Daddy gonna make the hook, baby. Look, this one. This one. You gonna catch mommy's favorite fish? What's
What?
mommy's favorite fish?
Daddy.
Yellow pie. Mommy like yellow
Mommy,
pie.
Daddy yellow tail.
See? Yeah.
Box.
Huh? Baliktad naman.
Box?
What
Box.
box, baby? We're gonna put our food there. The noodles and the should be you put the water in the fridge, baby. Then we taking it.
Akala ko parcel box.
Should be we put in in a freezer. In the making snow ice, and then we can drink it tomorrow. Very hard. Bibili pa tayo ice.
And some Coke.
Yeah, if you want.
Have coke eh. In can.
Yeah, it's okay. But we got no coffee. Daddy forgot to buy. He don't remind me. Yung, ano yun, yung tawag doon, yung...
3 in 1?
Oh, yung 3 in 1. Para, Ano, pero ano pag may papakulo ako ng tubig? Wala
Talan
ako.
ka ba?
Oo, dadalhin ko. Dadalhin ko
Ano yan?
yung isa, hindi yan, yung single bone na
Single
lang
burner?
dalhin ko. Meron kong yung maliit na tawag doon, yung... Ayun, tapos muna ito yung ano. Nakakakuha kasi ito eh, kailangan ingatan yun to. Pag nagkamali ka, tusok sa daliri mo to eh, sakit eh. Nadali na ako nung dati eh. Dali yan, oh, tingnan mo yan oh. See? Sakit na ito sa daliri mo. See, ay. Tanggal pa, kailangan pababa. Yan. Dapat yung malaki-laki nito, lumalo. Matanda pa kay Arwin to. Yan, sige yan. Mga sinauna na yung gamit ko. Ano ba ang gamit? Si Kato, magaganda ang gamit. Hindi ganda na gamit noon. Shout out nga pala kay Katom. Kasama namin mamaya ng gama. Apat na yan. Sige, tama na yan. Ano ba? Pag po, dahil ko na lang to. Ako na lang saan ko ito ilalagay. Ikaw, ito pati ito. Pag kaya nga siya chicken mo eh, mamaya bisan maluwag yan eh. Kaya kailangan i-check chicken. Isuot mo pa yan.
Makakatitanan na yung ano mo.
Ha?
Makakatitanan na.
Matanda pa sa akin, matanda pa kay JR yan eh.
Kasi edad mo yan eh.
This the
Is that my hook?
yeah, your hook is somewhere. Daddy make you there, huh? Not, you know. This one is older than you. That's why Daddy need to buy the new one.
Kasi edad mo yan.
Kailangan ko pa ng isa nito. Apatan to eh.
Ano si Alice?
Katawag si Katon.
Punta ko Bunnings.
Kayo makan mo. Amukin na.
Tulog yata si Robin.
Oo.
Sasama yan na. Bila ko nung ano nung phone na yung pinalagay sa salamin. Tayo din. Yung isang buwan pa kasi mainit pa no.
Ano may pa? Next one ay ko na. Pa, hindi na masyadong...
May isang buwan pa nga hanggang February.
February ko lang ang buwan noon, hindi yung... Aray! Ano ganito? Tatlo tama na yan. Ang dami na yan. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim. Ito, ay okay na yan. Pag kano lang, hindi gagawa na lang ako doon. Madali lang naman gumawa. Hindi ba? Madali lang naman gumawa kapag na, ayan na. Oh, nakaharap ka naman sa ilaw eh. Sa kalakihan ay nata... Yeah. Getting prepared for tonight. Oh, my light day. Hindi mo na pa nakikita. Okay. Oh, we're still up, baby. Tagal pa pala mag-hugs yung isa eh. But you like it, right? You like it? Huh? How you gonna cross your line here? Huh? Ah. Look, there's something touching. Daddy used to always
Get
the
it.
top one. Over there, and there. Huh? Yeah, all the yellow tiles here. Yellow tiles. All sample fellows over there. Look at the touch one. Nang babasa. Hindi ako maaalam pala ito yung title. Alin. Vietnamese? Parang Vietnamese yan eh. Parang natin nakakuha dito kasama ni Father, yung pare. Yan. Hindi ba yan? Nakakala ko yung kasamahan ng pare. Hindi niya Lighthouse. Hindi naman may isa dyan. Hindi na pasilin. Where we go, you can fish there, but you can't fish there because it's too hard for you over there. Yeah. You wanna go toilet? Just go there, feed in the rock. Come on. Just be careful. Hihida, naghanap ito ng kubo. Doon, over there. Run. Be careful, it's very slippery. Come on, go. Run. Masigawan ka. Saan dito? Oh, nagpipishing? Oh, yun ako. Oh. It's too windy. We're gonna have the different spot, right?
So we're not gonna fish yet?
No, not here. Because too, yeah. Yeah, we're gonna follow Katom.
Pwede ba na? Gano'n fish?
Oh, nasa na lang kami, Katom. Hey baby, take the video.
Some Laguna Glacier. Can't believe it's my first time fishing one. And the wind is actually bumping us. ocean. Tong 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 sa ho, amata sa ho, din din din. You think? I'm going outside. Bakla. Coconut juice is one of the best one. For my
Dito na.
not.
But you take only video here. Yourself. Okay. Okay. I thought you just special there. No, no, no.
Did I remember the guy that helped us get your thing to buy the necklace? The guy. The guy that helped us pick the necklace?
I said,
I feel like he was fishing.
oh,
I never saw him.
that's good. Nick?
Actually, we have 5.
Where's that one?
Let's go ahead. Look! 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 The fish! The fish! Oh my God! Oh! Fish, fish, fish! That's what you get, fish! That's what you get! Yeah! That's what you get for eating that. Oh, yeah! That's 1 kilo?
No, I said 1-0.
Oh, yay! Oh, boom! Yeah, so you put it on a skate, boy. You shall suffer. Try to catch another one.
Try.
Go, go, go! Boy, don't stop moving. Stop moving. Oh, this box. Oh, you fish, you better stop moving. Stop moving, fish. Boom. Can I clear off? Nice. First fish of the day. Look at that stingray. You can't catch him. Why does it look like a plastic instead of a stingray?
Nah, it's plastic.
I know.
Plastic, not stinger.
Okay, joking. It's not. There's that. Oh my gosh. Look at so much. Giant
Plastic.
fish.
Ay, plastic. Mabigat na plastic.
Giant fish. Giant
Look
fish.
at that video.
Look at that fish. So giant.
Pakita mo sa video, Katam.
Oh my gosh. So huge. Whoa. Nice. That's W fish. Okay, it's the button.
Because this one today, green, green. Taylor. That's Taylor. Another Taylor. Oh. And, huwag don't close like that. Oh, this huli nito. Ako, only one tail ang huli ko eh. This one, nice sinigang eh. Hindi mo ginataan. This your fish. How many? Baby, look at me and look our fish.
My fish.
Your fish. Look, baby, count it, baby, look. There's plenty too, huh? It's not that. I thought it's only a little bit.
I thought you said
Yeah, that's rubbish na yan. Huh?
I thought it was 10.
Plenty.
Bagin na lang.
How many yellow tail count it, Lara? Ito, masarap na pirito.
So, mommy gonna eat all of that.
Right. Oh, someone try to beat it. Ako, meron pa pala isa doon. Ito yung lamig. How many? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. No. 19 yellow tail and 3 tailor and 1 bonito. My I catch only one. This one Tom. And some the yellow tails. Yeah, I caught about not about 3. Hi baby. Yeah, I think more than 3 or what? No, 4 or 5 more. Come here, I'm standing here that mommy wanna take your food for away the fish you catch. Yeah. Not even why? Are you here? Are you here? You just put like that and lead the fish. Okay, you in.
Mommy, I'm gonna take the fish instead.
This one, our cats put tonight. Me, my baby.
You mean last night?
Last night, yeah. French fish. Honey, 2 weeks mo food na to. 2 weeks na natin pagkain yan. Ay? O ikaw magligpit nito. Oh. Ayun. Oh. Okay, see. Okay, see mga kababayan. Okay, bye. Muling pagkikita sa video natin.